Megan and welcome to my channel. So today I have a very fun unboxing for you guys, and that is the Spring FABFITFUN box. So if you want to see what I got in my box, then just go ahead and keep on watching. So FABFITFUN is a quarterly subscription, so you can get it, you get it in the spring, summer, fall, and winter. And I've been getting it for about a year now, and I really do enjoy it. So I'm super excited about this. It does cost $49.99 a month. However, there are so many influencers out there that have coupon codes where you can get your first box for $39.99. So I will try to link some of the influencers' codes down below, and so if you are interested in getting your first box, you can save $10. And then they also have an option where you can pay $179.99 annually. So it's not billed quarterly, just annually, and you do save some money doing it that way. You save 20 bucks. So that is an option. So I'm so excited. All I have done is just cut the tape on the box. I haven't opened it or anything, so I'm super excited to see what I got. So when I open it up, this is what I see. Very, very fun. So pretty. I love these boxes. I always keep these boxes for storage because they're just so pretty. So the first thing I see, you get a little magazine in here, and it's got like your items in here, or what you could have gotten. And so on the front of this month, or this quarter, it is Venus Williams. And so this is what it looks like. And then, it just shows you what you got. There are options. So what I get may be different from what the next person gets. So then they also give you a $50 gift card for HelloFresh. So I am actually probably going to start doing HelloFresh. I did Home Chef for a while, and I really liked it, the meat part of it. The sides were awful, and the preparation time, it just took forever to cut up every little thing. And then, I mean, it is nice because you don't really have to think about what you're going to cook for supper. But I think I'm going to try this one now. I've got my other subscription on hold. I just got kind of burnt out on it. So, anyhow. So, now this is what I see. It's under tissue paper. I can't see anything. So, I'm going to go ahead and open it up. Oh! Oh my gosh, I love powder. I love powders. I love makeup. Okay, so the first product that I see is the Ciate London Extraordinary Translucent Powder. It looks like this. And I'm going to try to find in this magazine how much that powder would have been. I don't want to ruin my surprise and see the other products, so if I can't find the prices, I will probably just link it down below for you guys so you can see that you definitely get your money's worth. Okay, right here it is. But I'm not seeing the price. Yeah, I'm not going to hold y'all up with that. I will link all the prices down below if I can find them. But it is supposed to be like a $200, $250 value to your $50 box, so that's nice. So I'm going to open this powder up. I just want to see what it looks like. I've never tried this translucent powder either. So it's full size, very cute. Now, ooh, so the next thing I see is from Dr. Brandt. This is No More Baggage. This is the eye depuffing gel. Looks like this. And I know this is going to be very pricey. It says it visibly reduces the look of under eye bags and dark circles. So I'm very excited to try that. And I got a Way product. I love Way's hair care, and their volumizing mist is my absolute favorite. And it's been sold out forever, and I hope they're not discontinuing or anything because that is the best volumizing mist for your hair. So this is just a leave-in conditioner, which you can never have enough. The next thing I see is from Levito, and this is a aromatic body lotion, and it is in the scent Citrus. The next thing I see is from Tula. This is a probiotic skincare purifying face cleanser, and this is like massive. So I'll definitely be trying this. It is a gel-based cleanser, removes dirt, impurities, and makeup gently and effectively. Skin is left balanced, clarified, and prepped for skincare. So I will be trying this tonight. Oh lordy, what is this? Okay, I have a champagne charcoal scrub, and this is to relax, and it is a luxe and gentle body scrub formulated with charcoal to remove dirt and build up, leaving the skin polished, hydrated, and refreshed. So I've never heard of this brand either. I love the top, and this is a huge jar of this. So I'm not gonna open it, I'll probably get it everywhere. Alright, what is this? And then I see this, but I don't know what it is. So let's just open it up. So I see this, and then there's a zipper. Oh, this is so cool. So it's a little picnic set. So you got your spoons, forks, plates. You get 2 spoons, 2 forks, and 2 knives, and 2 plates. So that is so fun. I really like that a lot. It's very summery, springy. And last but not least, I got this Show Me Your Moo. What? It is a robe. So let's open this up. I thought it was going to be like a scarf, but it says robe. Oh, I love this. I have a Victoria's Secret robe right now. It's black. It's very cozy, but it's getting too warm. So this is just like a little bathrobe. It's very fun and spring-like, and it's got the little tie. I love this. Love it. I was actually needing a thinner robe, so I'm really glad I got that. And that is all I got in this month's box. So I've definitely got my money's worth. I would say the Ciate powder is probably around $30 itself. So, I mean, and the Way leave-in conditioner I know is around $20 or more. So, and the Dr. Brandt No More Baggage, all of his stuff is pretty pricey, so I would assume this is $30 plus. So I've already made my money back in these 3 products. So, and it's just fun because you never know what you're going to get, and it's just exciting. And I just love subscription boxes in general. So anyway, I hope you all enjoyed this video. If you do like unboxings like this, then go ahead, give me a thumbs up, and I can definitely do more of these. I do get a few subscriptions throughout the month, and this is my only quarter subscription, but I have other beauty subscriptions. If you would like to see those, just leave me a comment in the description box. And please subscribe before you leave. I would love nothing more for you than to join my little family here on YouTube. And go ahead and hit that little post notification bell so you can be notified every single time I upload. And thank you so guys. And thank you so much for watching. I hope you guys have a wonderful day, and I will see you guys in my next ones. Bye!